Hello, good morning. How are you all? What is this? This is so cute cat going to have class with you all this week. Say hello. Cat, you also say hello. Hi children. Hello everybody. Okay, so this week this cute cat will be with us and enjoy all the activities what we are going to do this week. Okay, and one more friend which is going to help for circle time. Hello Dido, his name is Dido. So before that, I would like to ask you all, how was your friendship day? It was nice? You all did fun? Yes? Super! Even Miss Shivani also did fun. I was enjoying with my friend, playing with my friends, watching movie with my friend and dancing also. So, very good children. Now, before the circle time, we know we do always one warm-up activity because when we will come for circle time, we will be active. Yes? So, do you know what's the activity today? We have one color sorting activity. So, please be ready and enjoy with Miss Shivani. Yes? Yes, cute cat? Yes. Yay, color sorting game is ready. You can see this setup. I have made this with the help of 2 boxes and 1 cardboard sheet where I have done so many holes. With blue color, white color, green color, orange color, light blue and red. What we are going to do, we have to draw these pom-poms with the same color holes. Okay, I'm going to show you how. So I'm going to take, I need to find first orange color. Yay! Next, green. Where is green? Where is green? This is green. Now I'm going to take this light blue. Tap, 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 tap. Okay. And what is left? What is left? What is left? This dark blue. Oh, not this is not dark blue. This is dark blue. Yay! And what is left? I think white color is left. Oh, white color. Yes. And the last is this red? Is this red? Thank you. Yes. This is. Yay! So all colors done. Thank you. So everybody, how was the color sorting game? Yes, my cute little cat, how it was nice. So now we have to go for circle time because Dido is waiting. He's thinking, please come Miss Shivani, I am ready to help for circle time. So, I'm going to make sit this cute cat on one place because she has to enjoy circle time. Okay? Hello, I'm ready with my green pointer. Say hello to green pointer. And it's time to sing a good morning song. Choo-choo train song. Good morning train is coming, cha-cha-choo, hee-ha. Good morning train is coming, cha-cha-choo, hee-ha. Good morning train is coming, good morning train is coming, good morning train is coming, cha-cha-choo, hee-ha. Say hello to them wearing yellow. Say hello to them wearing green. Say hello to them wearing orange. Say hello to them wearing purple. Good morning train is coming, cha-cha-choo, hee-ha. Good morning train is coming, cha-cha-choo, hee-ha. Good morning train is coming, good morning train is coming, good morning train is coming, cha-cha-choo, hee-ha. Say hello to them wearing grey. Say hello to them wearing pink. Say hello to them wearing blue. Say hello to them wearing yellow. Good morning train is coming, cha-cha-choo, hee-ha. Good morning train is coming, cha-cha-choo, hee-ha. Hello, good morning train, bye-bye. So namaste, hello, good morning everybody. Let's enjoy a circle time. First, what we need to find? Days of the week. Tap, tap, clap, clap. Tap, tap, clap, clap. Days of the week. 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 There was Sunday and a Monday, Tuesday and a Wednesday, Thursday and a Friday, and then a Saturday. Days of the week. Clap, clap. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Today is Monday. Okay, is Monday today? Yes, it is. Hee-ha! Is Monday today? Yes, it is. Hee-ha! Is Monday today? Is Monday today? Is Monday today? Yes, it is. Hee-ha! Next, we'll find month of the year. Why Miss Shivani is going very fast for month of the year? Because today we are going to welcome new month. What it is? So please roll your hands. The months of the year go round and round, round and round, round and round. The months of the year go round and round all through the year. January, February, March and April, May, June, July and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the whole year long. And we are in July? No, we are in new month is August. So please clap for August month. Yay! Welcome August month. Thank you. Oh wow, Dido is looking so happy because we are going to come to Dido. So let's find how's the weather today. After that, we'll fill this all about today. Okay? How's the weather? Dido, how's the weather? Join me to check. How's the weather? How's the weather? How's the weather today? Is it sunny? Is it cloudy? Is it rainy? Or is it windy? How's the weather today? Let's look outside. Let's look outside. How's the weather today? You know what you will have to do. Please go and check the weather outside. Dido! They are back. We have to tell them how's the weather today. So for me and Dido, it's rainy outside. Yay! It's rainy today. Yes, it is. Hee-ha! It's rainy today. Yes, it is. Hee-ha! It's rainy today. It's rainy today. It's rainy today. Yes, it is. Hee-ha! So now we have done with days of the week, months of the year and weather. Okay? You can see one calendar also is there. From today we are going to put date also on the board. Yes? So it's time to fill this all about today. So Dido, are you ready? Okay. Dido is very happy because he knows he is going to get dressed according to weather. Dido, just wait because we'll fill this, then we'll show you the dress. Okay? Okay, so what month is today? August. Hello, August month. And the date is 2nd of August. Yes, number 2. And day is Monday. And the weather is rainy. Correct? Thank you. Now Dido is ready to wear this rainy dress. First cap. Dido. Now this green gumboot. and blue raincoat and umbrella. Oh wow, nice Dido. Nice children. Yes, thank you. Okay, so now Miss Shivani will introduce you all what we are going to learn this week. Letter of the week, number of the week and shape of the week. And this week our color is green. That's why green pointer is here. So let me introduce you with letter of the week. And you know each week we'll learn 2 letters. So today we are going to learn letter C. C makes a sound K, K, K. C makes a sound K, K, K. Upper letter, lower letter C. Capital C, small c. Mama C and baby C. And C for this you will get later. Now, number of the week. Number of the week is 1. And the shape of the week. Shape of the week is triangle. Now let me show you what is C for. Please close your eyes. Open your eyes. What is this? No suitcase today. We have this surprise box. What is written here? Letter C. Very nice. So please, we have to give clap, then only it will open. 1, 2, 3, stop. Yay, it's open. So C for, first we did clap. C for clap. What is this? It's a real one. Cucumber. I like cucumber. C for cotton. Car. C for car. C for comb. What is this? C for camera. Crayons. Okay, nice. We have done with letter C. Crayons, camera, car, cucumber, comb, cotton, and one more. Carrot. Mr. Bunny. Favorite carrot. Thank you. Oh, this cute cat is saying how you can forget my name, Miss Shivani. It starts with letter C. C for cat. Cute cat. Sorry. Now we are learning letters today. So we need to sing a ABCD song. So please come. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, O, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time won't you sing with me? Happy, happy we shall be. Now I know my ABC. Okay, so what letter we have learned today? Letter C. It means we have to make one craft also for the same. We are going to enjoy with caterpillar craft. So please join me. Ready with caterpillar craft? What you need? You need letter C, capital C. Print out pom-pom, any color pom-pom, but red color is compulsory. For green color you can use anything. One peg. We which I'm going to use like this, and green paint. Now Miss Shivani is going to use green paint. Dab dab. Wow. Is it coming like this? Yes? Okay. Now we have done with green paint. Now I will stick this red color pom-pom here. See, with the help of glue, I am sticking this pom-pom. More glue, I think. Yes. Now you can see these two antennas which I have made with the paper. You can draw also if you don't have this. Here, this is also I am going to stick two antennas. Look here. I have done with this two antenna. Now I will use two googly eyes. Wow, cute caterpillar and easy to make it. Nice. C for caterpillar. So we have done with today's class. It's time for music and movement, and this week we are going to enjoy dancing on chicken song. Music.